Hello and welcome back to my channel, Ask Nolan. Today we're taking a look at sixth grade ratio questions. Okay, so let's go ahead and jump on in. Number 5 reads, a garden has 48 tulips and 35 daisies. What is the ratio of daisies to all flowers in the garden? So all flowers, that's another way to say total. Okay, so let's go ahead and underline all flowers, because all flowers, that's another way of meaning total. All is the same as total, which means we're going to have to add, okay? So, and they want daisies to all the flowers. Well, first, we have to add up the total amount of flowers. So, there are 48 tulips and 35 daisies. Okay. Oops. I spelled that right. IES. There we go. And that's going to give us total flowers, right? Once we add those up. All right. So 8 plus 5 is 13. So we have 3, and then we're going to carry the 1. 1 plus 4 is 5, plus 3 is 8. So there are 83 total flowers. Now, they want daisies to flowers. So the two numbers that we're going to be using are the daisies and the total flowers. So for us, we could say 35 to 83. We could say 35 to 83, like that. Or we could say 35 to 83. Now, the one that they want us to do is the fraction form, which is this one. So remember, when we write it, it either has to be all the way. You have to either start in this box, or your answer has to end in this box, okay? But for right now, we're just going to keep it simple. We're going to write it all the way to the left. So 35 here, slash there, and then 8 and 3. And then we just fill it in. 35, 3 and the 5, then the slash, and then the 8 and the 3. And that's it. Okay? That's the ratio of daisies to total flowers. All right, let's take a look at one more question. Let's take a look at number 6. All right, it says the table shows the number of different colored marbles in a bag. Match each description to the correct ratio. All right, so we got red, blue, yellow, and green, and they didn't give us a total. Once again, if you look, some of these say total. Well, only one of them. Oh, no, two of them says total. So we're going to need to add these numbers up, okay? So let's go ahead and do that. 6 plus 11 is 17. 13 plus 9 is 22. So now we have to do 17 plus 22. 7 plus 2 is 9. 1 plus 2 is 3. So there's 39 in total. Okay. So 39 marbles all together. And then we have the breakdown over here by color. Okay, which is good. Now we can go ahead and match our answers up. So let's see here. The first one, I'm gonna just put 1, 2, 3, and 4 next to that, okay? So, let's finish this out. Let's see here. Red marbles to total marbles. There are 6 red marbles and there's 39 total. So 6 to 39. Blue marbles to yellow. There are 11 blue and 13 yellow. 11 blue and 13 yellow. So we want 11 to 13. 11 to 13 would be F. Now we want green to total. There are 9 green and 39 total. So we want 9 to 39, which would be L. And then the last one, blue to red. There are 11 blues and 6 reds. So we want 11 to 6. Not 6 to 11, but 11 to 6. And there we go. All right, y'all. We'll see you back next time.